All right, good morning. First 5 minute candle was printed and it was a dump. I am late, so I'm gonna just start by charting some levels here. We got pre-market high here, it appears. Low somewhere down in here. Is this pre-market? Nope. This here. We just test with that. Let's see. We're on hold. Tab is price action. And then yesterday's low. Excuse me. Right here at the bottom of this. Look at the way that works. All right. So we kind of in between the two. I would prefer if we I don't want to take anything there. Today is a interest rate decision in the evening, so I'm not at all looking to do anything too risky. If anything, I might. We'll see. We'll see how the conditions look. We'll see what things look like. I'll keep it full size. I might take a trade and reduce it to 4 contracts, 8 between the two accounts, as opposed to 6 contracts or 12 between the two accounts. So reduce my risk a little bit on a day like today, if it does appear that it's going to be a little bit maybe choppier price action or something. If I do decide to take it, we will see. I'm going to throw on some Tuna Rune skis. You know, any bullshit, I'm on assignment. I'm gonna keep styling like status on the Palm Pilot.
On a distant world, you faced the enemy.
I need you to copy the beat twice, because I'm going to have a lot of raps and things. I've been a guy way before synagogue. Liquor drops used to hit the spot like a cinder block. This is not what you wanted, but this is what you got. You live with what you got. Elixir that I'm mixing like I'm in the kitchen with Barack. I'm in the spot like the middle of a prison box. And you ain't nothing to the planet but a little dot. Underneath the water like the line that's on a fishing rod. Simple thoughts got me itching like the chicken pox. Knitted socks, her fingers trying to scratch a lotto ticket off. When I made it, I was getting all the bitches off. See, I was faded, now I'm counting up the minutes lost. I throw 'em back like opponents hit a homer. My mind it holds explosion like a post on a poster. I'm out the holster with it. I overdid it like the way the roller coaster spinning, homie, that's inertia. I'm the moon to the sun, how I birth ya. Turn ya back to your old ways, reverse ya, curse ya, witchcraft. You get nothing but a whole lot of nothing with your motherfucking bitch ass. You simple as a whistle, never pick a side, shit, you always in the middle, never down the ride. I was high like I'm born to fly, never die, I'm immortalized. Here before your eyes, Lord of the Flyers, eyes, your highness. And no diamond when it shine, ultraviolet. You on your bullshit, I'm on assignment. And I be on it like a stylist on the Palm Pilot. I'm God's finest work, this way beyond timeless. Cop the new presidential roller, keep the watch silent. Cause everybody taking me off. I got the world with her legs open, licking the box, shit. She home wet, sweating me for phone sex. Don't stress, daddy'll be home soon. And assume I'm down low with the post moves. I come through and hit the hole like Jones Drew, yeah. is old news. But add fuel to the fire, what I won't do. So I just kick it with the homies like I'm supposed to. And we go back like gold hoops. Well, it's the cold feeling, boom chillin', borderline dope dealing. I'm going up with no ceiling. Shit. Out of body got my soul swimming. And no different, good head, keep my toes twitching. You know Larry been fishing since he in the womb. This is scoop up the Big Dipper, you the little spoon. Went from invisible and minuscule to invincible, dancing with the business moves. I made $1 million and it killed me. My second million got me motherfucking filthy. You ain't nothing till you die and come back to life iller. They haven't made a motherfucker realer, Mr. Miller, yeah. Alright. Should I do the thing that I used to do back in the day? Like, you do a radio freestyle, you just swimming, August 3rd. And then you start fucking going in.
I feel the earth crumble, spiral spinning, no I don't control. I'm so dizzy, I can hardly take a hold. Is it cause I'm on the run getting old? At least that's what I am told.
So kind of watching the rejection off this zone. This zone, we got the EMAs here. EMAs are bearish. We aren't below either the pre-market low or the yesterday low, so. But if I were to look at this, it would look at a rejection off this area and continuation down to low a day. It offers a pretty good move, 40 points or so at the current. I'm trying to be patient. If we don't have news today, we have the FOMC rate decision later. So far, there's nothing making me want to short this, really. I mean, it's still holding on pretty strong.
Geico has a 97% customer satisfaction rating.
Wow. Our cats just love great customers.
While I turn to spring for the people I feed. Once I get my cake, I'm gonna eat it too. Why is it surprising? What else really would I do? Change, change, change. It's gonna happen.
And now, I certainly don't want to try short here. It looks decent. What's up, man?
Taking anything?
Nope. Looking at maybe a short here, but I don't know.
I was thinking the same thing, but that wick is kind of big.
Yeah, I'll hold off.
I took a short at the open, but I took two shorts. The first one got stopped out like really quick. I guess my entry wasn't good, but then I tried again and that one worked out to make up that loss and a little bit more.
Nice, yeah, it was a pretty quick drop off the open.
Yeah, frustrating though, like stopped me out by like just a couple of points. Right before like, I was able to move it a little bit. looking to go short on this pullback, but it's a big wait.
Blinded by the stars that hit a gentle little road. The rocks turned into water, and what was clear become our blood. It was good, but the bad got worse. The sinking ship began to burn. So I shook across a mountain face, 'cause I'm a liquor lip loaded gun. Look and talk through eyes that sting, and then a stranger to me son. Open up the ocean, jump on in. The mastiffs of the coastlines beckoning. For my only life is sink or swim through the everlasting walls we standing on my head, dude, tangled up in a blue, rambling, come my front too. Another buster knuckle booze, not as shiny, golden and gifted full of even flying at the speed
Nice
of
continuation of breaks like 2020.
reaches I enough for.
Yeah.
Open up the ocean, jump on in. The mastiffs of the coastlines beckoning. For my only
I'm still in my
life
new trade zone.
sink or swim through the everlasting walls we
With Asana, AI teammates can pull real-time data and help keep work on track, so every team can work smarter and faster. Asana, the #1 AI work management platform. Try for free today at asana.com.
Nothing so far. I don't really like it in here.
Let's see a breakout here. Maybe a retest on just after 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I just have a feeling it might be a little choppy with the FOMC tonight. A little bit lower volume. It's like yesterday. Yesterday was trash in the morning. It was super choppy.
Yeah, I missed the morning yesterday. I didn't take anything.
Yeah, I didn't trade. I mean, I was there for like the first hour and then I just got off. But I mean, there's some things you can trade. I don't know. It just was great. There's no like continuation anywhere, I guess, until the second half of the day we got that downtrend. But like right now, it's like the structure is just, I don't know. There is that like breakout is doing right now. We'll see if it can close. It looks decent to the upside.
Close above, little retest.
As we left the house and took a step outside, I could taste in the air a familiar sense of pride. And the wind did blow as you held your head up high. Then I saw the clouds draw storms into
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. Anything in this range in here, I just don't really trust it. It's kind of in the same shit it's doing yesterday.
Hour chart looks like a double-sided lightsaber.
Yeah, it's not good.
He's my man, but said I'm breaking bones. Out in the fire, won't leave it alone. It was bent and I was unable to pull him inside. Swapping down them bridges, dig up them walls.
That's a nasty 5-minute close there. Looked like a breakout, and it said nope. I'm going to a cable park for like wakeboarding today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I don't really know how to wakeboard. I mean, I've tried it one other time behind a boat, but I think I'll figure it out.
That sounds awesome.
Definitely, I'll get some water, some forceful ingestion of water, I'm sure.
Try to get a picture or two.
Yeah. Just me scorpioning. Doing a scorpion into the lake. It might happen. Very, very possible.
Hit a ramp.
Dude, they do have little jumps. Yeah. I'd probably, first I need to learn how to do it before I try that, but, see how we're feeling. I think I'm gonna try to bring some light domestics.
Is that attached to your feet?
The wakeboard is attached to your feet, yeah, like a snowboard.
scooter.
Yeah. Yeah.
It has the handlebars, right?
It doesn't have handlebars, but you hold on to like a rope.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. And it's either pulled by like a cable or a boat. I've tried it behind a boat, and this time I'm gonna try it on a cable park. But yeah, they have jumps and stuff. I think they even have like boxes, like you can do like 50-50s and shit. I don't know about that. We'll see, like I said, we'll see. But yeah, my coworker, she's like pretty good at wakeboarding. She said she was gonna go. She's like, "You want to go?" I have the day off, and I'm like, "Fuck, I guess." Sounds fun.
Is she a beast?
She in what way?
Is she good at?
I haven't seen her, but yeah, she grew up in like the Midwest, like in Wisconsin, Illinois area. Did a lot of like wakeboarding, and I think she was a wakeboarding instructor in college, so she's probably pretty nasty. I haven't seen her do it, but she seems pretty competent. Yeah. Yeah, the hardest thing when I tried it the first time was like when you start from a boat, you literally put on your board in the water and then you just like lay on your back and hold onto the cable, and then the boat accelerates and it like pulls you up onto your feet. And it was like that was the hardest part for me. It was like going from laying down to like getting pulled through the water and like getting up on your feet. I don't know, it's kind of odd. But like once you're up, it's like you're just kind of, yeah. But that's the thing, is you start standing up at the cable park, like on the shore, and then the cable like kind of drags you into the water. I don't know. We'll see if it's easier or not. But I think starting standing might be a little bit more easy for me. Yeah, I'll try to get some pictures, some video or something.
Start getting yanked like your body.
Just head first through the water.
Look, with no one on it.
Yeah.
Just kind of dragging through
Dude, you can eat some shit, because like, yeah, if you're getting pulled fast, you can catch an edge or whatever, just like snowboarding. Just face plant in the water.
Ouch. Yeah, look at that drop, bro.
That's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's that same little like trend line it was rejecting off of in the pre-market. Looks like it was on breakout and it didn't. Closed underneath it. It actually could have been a decent little scalp. But I still don't trust it. I don't think we get much continuation either direction. Fortunately.
Buy bounce around here.
I'm saying it could very easily bounce between like here and 970-ish. But I don't believe in it enough to do it. Take the trade.
The previous 15-minute candle.
Hmm.
Risk off of that, but might have already started bouncing.
There's a guy on Twitter that I follow, like a trader, and he has a pretty simple system. He always posts like he does the same setup or like same thing pretty much every day. You know how he trades, and yeah, and I've been kind of just like following like his system, which means like when it's not, you know what I mean, like I'm not looking to take any trades right now, even if it does look like something, you know, because it's like, and honestly I think it's been helping a lot, just like because I guess well, for me, I think like I would see I'd watch price action and be like, oh, it looks like it's gonna pull back or bounce or whatever. But there wasn't anything that was like telling me like this is higher probability or this is like maybe don't enter this even if it looks good, or you know. But now that I kind of have that, it's like I've only been doing it for a week or so, but and I'm kind of using my like adapting it to me a little bit, like not following exactly what he does, but
I got in at like 92.
oh, nice. Hell yeah. I'd be curious if it makes it up to like 40, 48, 50, somewhere up in there. 45, 50. I think it has some room to run.
Damn, I sold that way too soon. Keep it running. Not that too bad. Yeah, I kind of gave myself like a list of like rules I'm trying to follow, and I have to like before I start my trading day, I kind of like tick them, like I check mark them, just to kind of remind myself not to do this, not to do this, do this, this, this.
That's smart.
Try to help myself how I can.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the biggest thing is just help me like avoid over trading. If like a setup shows, it's usually like once a day as opposed to being like taking like 3 trades a day or something, and then knowing that if it does show up, it's higher probability, so that I, you know, feel clear about entering it. Like yesterday, yeah, there's no trade. Like there's definitely stuff I probably could have traded, but I didn't take anything, just watched for like an hour. And same thing today, I don't know. Unless it starts to trend, I guess that's the thing, is it's mostly made for like trending markets. So I actually, yeah. Yes, sir. But I was thinking though, the range days, you can trade range days too. So I was like, maybe I just need to like lower my risk and create some sort of like strategy for when it's rangy. Maybe don't take full position size on those days, but like still give myself opportunity maybe. That could have been a nice entry on a pullback here. Broke out and kind of pulled back into it.
I think the key for me is kind of like having a good entry where like, my entry is, my stop is like obvious.
Yep, yeah. That's a big part for sure. Yeah, because you get it.
Try to enter where I entered and like risk low a day, like that's just too much.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
Like right there, like I was risking 17 points. That's because I kind of hesitated on getting it. But my stop was obvious. It was just the previous 15-minute candle low.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely helps with like the psychology of it. If you have too wide of a stop and you're like, well, I don't want to move it because that's what's logical, but it's like a big stop loss, and you start getting emotional mid trade, you're like in drawdown, you're like, should I move it? Should I take a loss now? No.
Yeah, there's so much that goes into trading.
That's what I'm saying. If you're just have a system basically and just enter on that and like try to take any sort of like thought out of it as in terms of like, oh, should I take this, instead of just like seeing a setup and being like, this is the setup that I take, you know? I feel like that's helped me.
Try to be mechanical as possible.
Yeah,
Keep the emotions out.
it helps because I've just had like winning days lately and haven't had a real loss, but so I'm sure that helps emotionally be like, oh, every time I do this, it wins. Obviously, that's not true, but
Last time you had me, I drunk eyes off my face. Wanted to give you a piece of the sky.
Biggest that happens, like if I take a loss and then I take another loss, that third trade I really like tend to like size up like a little bit, just to kind of try to make it up. And if it works out, great. But if it doesn't work out, it's like,
yeah,
I put myself in a even bigger hole.
yep, yeah.
It's a bad habit, I guess. Looks good though. See some continuation. High day. I mean, all-time highs. What is all-time highs?
Grab a hold and catch you free. She found loving in the wrong kind of place. Yeah, she said I needed shelter, but I don't have the space, and it's all covered in Molly. Yeah, I made a mistake. Yeah, I let you down. We found love under some kind of state. Yeah, we
What time you head now?
through the clouds. It wasn't never.
Oh shit, I guess sooner than I thought. Wait, hold up. Am I stupid? Gotcha. No, my coworker is like, oh, do you want to leave around 11:30? But then she just texted me and she said, I'm on my way. And I was like, it's 10:12. What the fuck? I am not ready. I'm in my sweatpants trading. So we'll see. Which, I don't know, she's gonna meet me here. It's like at least a 30-minute drive. Alright, I need to enter. Oh, this is looking really good though. I mean, especially if you can break like pre-market high.
80 degrees
Shopping
over?
with your parents can be
Dude, yeah, it's supposed to hit 90 something. It's already 80. It's 80 right now. 10 in the morning. It's been so fucking hot.
Thanks to the Chase mobile app,
Yeah, it's supposed to hit 91. It's gonna be like in the 90s. Oh my god, 97 next week.
we can be twins.
Dude, RIP.
How was shopping? Saw you stayed on budget.
I'm not built for this shit, dude.
86 over here,
Yeah.
which is actually not bad, considering like the other day was like 90 something.
That's insane. Yeah, yesterday. The past 2 days have been like right around 90 degrees, and I've been fucking dying, dude. It's so hot. It's 90, and like it will rain and then get sunny and then rain and get sunny. So it's like 100% humidity. It's just, oh my god, you go outside, you feel like you're in a fucking sauna. I mean, you know how it is. I'm just not used to it. I'm not used to it at all, dude.
Yeah, you don't get used to it. It sucks. Oh wow, nice climb.
You trying to hit on me? What's up? Making millions? I ain't making shit, brother. I'm trying though. Working on it. Come on now.
Probably take it at pre-market happiness, 2060, somewhere around here.
Yeah, it was nice. The retest of like
Take that, call it a
10 or so was a nice little play.
Damn, that was decent.
Oh, I love you too. Thank you. Mutual.
Tomorrow's a weird day, right? Juneteenth.
Is it?
Not even sure if
Oh yeah.
preachers are always open, but I think they close early
Holiday. Oh yeah.
or something like that.
Hmm. Yeah. I didn't even realize that.
Or maybe it closes early today. I was skateboarding yesterday. Board like flew into my knee.
Oh nice.
Bashed it. Hurts a lot. Still going.
It's kind of crazy. Try not to have FOMO. It's all right.
I already got out. I got out like 50. Gonna have some resistance here. I don't know if it'll continue or not. Kind of 50-50. Kind of want to go skate, but I'm like half limping.
Are you off today?
Yeah, today and tomorrow. I should probably rest, but
Come wakeboarding, dude.
I wish, bro.
Be fun. What's going on? What are they now? I'd actually be interested if we can close above pre-market high and then get some sort of pullback or something. Then I might enter. Feels like a little bit overextended now, like it's due for a pullback, but I'm gonna go fill my coffee up. I'll be right back. Oh man. Oh. I just want to take one trade, make $10 million, retire. Not that big of a deal.
Just take out a loan. Full port.
100x leverage on Bitcoin. Get liquidated from like a 0.5%
Worst
pullback.
case, you lose it all and just flee the country.
Yeah, it wasn't your money anyways.
You can't catch me.
Yeah. Also, I got a court reserved for some pickleball tomorrow. Yeesh.
I never played, but it looks pretty fun.
Yeah, they opened the spot here. It's called the Tipsy Pickle, and it's like a bar slash pickleball. Yeah, so you can get drinks and stuff and reserve courts. I want to hit that tomorrow. No, so usually my life is boring, but these 2 days are exciting, I guess. I just need to live more. What the fuck am I
They
doing?
have Top Golf in your area.
Mm-hmm.
You know what that is?
Yeah, I've never been though.
Yeah, something like that is pretty cool.
Have you been?
That's what it sounds like. Have a drink.
Yeah.
Just shooting range.
Yeah, drinking and casual sports is pretty fun. Like I'm
skating.
Dude, it'd probably be pretty fun if you just don't like do anything crazy.
Crash and just try to like kickflip.
Yeah, yeah. Like do manuals and shit. Just something chill. I'm dead serious. Drinking and doing sports is like it's like the adult realization that you're like, yeah, I'm not gonna fucking make it anywhere with this. I might as well have fun. I don't need to take this too seriously. My knees are shot.
I saw a clip of like some dude that was he was like it was at a Top Golf. He was like already kind of like drunk. He puts his wallet down and uses it as like a little teepee for the for the for the golf ball. And he ends up hitting his wallet into like into the field. Loses it. Money just flying everywhere.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, this thing ain't stopping.
Good thing I didn't.
Seems like one of those days you're early or it's just not worth it. I do it to protect myself, but like I sold like half way too early.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
I usually sell like 80% of my position at whatever my first take profit is, and then I'll leave like a small runner or one or two, depending on my contract size, but usually just one. I know sometimes it will run like 80 points, and you're like, well, I took it at 30, you know, but at the same time, just locking in those gains regardless, you know, even small wins add up. Because sometimes, you know, you'll move 25 points or something, then quickly reverse back down to your stop loss. It's like if you're able to grab those 20 points, then you're like, okay.
I guess, yeah.
Because when it works to help you, it's great. When when you're like, oh, I could have made so much more. It's like, oh, just try to not think like that.
I guess, yeah.
But yeah, I feel it. Like Monday I took a long in the morning, and I don't even know how many points it moved. Let's take a look at it.
Or you sold it too soon?
I mean, I got like my first trim was like 38 points, and then my second was like 52. So it's like I got a good move, yeah. But it ran like 100 or something without stopping, and I was like, all right, well.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
Because then I just think like, oh, what if I took my first trim where I took my runner like at 50 points, and then I left my runner and got like 80, you know? But it's like, I don't know if that does me no good. All right, I'm kind of interested in a long in here. Broke above pre-market high. We're holding up here. 15-minute looks good. Got the close above on the 15-minute. I just want some sort of entry and some clear risk, because right now I don't really know where I'd risk off of. Or I just don't get in and it.
Yes, it's a tough one for me.
Like, I'm not gonna buy here. It's fucking high day. So, yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see if we get a pullback today. Might not.
Because me, I look at this and I'd be like, if it pulled back to like maybe 55, I could risk off the previous 15-minute candle.
That's exact, yeah.
Point.
54, 55 is exactly where I want to see it. Yeah.
But then again, it also looks like it's just gonna continue.
Maybe. I have a feeling it's not gonna get that pull back here. Pulling back even to like 50s. Who knows? Either does or doesn't.
What I like to do sometimes too is, if this was closer to like maybe like 10:40 a.m., like 5 minutes before the close, I could risk off the current 15-minute.
Mm-hmm.
It's another way I go about it.
You're a married man, but I don't know if you ever experienced dating apps.
What about him?
Dude, I don't know. Sometimes you'll get a like from a creature, a real critter, you know? It makes you question everything. In this case, no, dude. Very rarely am I getting good critters. I'm getting spooked, brother. I'm telling you that. I just opened it and saw who liked me, and I was like, God damn, what am I doing? It's fucking terrifying, dude. Like, I don't know. You know, she's probably a nice lady. No offense. Oh my God. Alright, what are we doing here? Did I just enter long? It's kind of pissed me off. I'm joking. But it was a nice move to the upside.
Thing you could do right now is like force something, end
Nah.
up taking a loss, and then it kind of like affects your day later.
I'm just wakeboarding all pissed off.
Your therapist, I would say just like call it a day, go enjoy your day, go wakeboard.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch for a little bit. I do like this break above this. I have a resistance here and then the pre-market here, so I would like that clean break above, and some sort of retest would be great, but not force anything. I just want to see if it happens in the next like 20 minutes before I have to leave. But yeah, it looks like it just wants to go straight up. Pretty much not a red candle since the opening 5 minute.
That's like a big resistance area here, from like 100 to like previous high 2222222. What about this coworker?
What do you mean, dude? What are you trying to say?
Is she a potential candidate?
No, I don't think so. I think, I don't know. She's cool. We have fun, but I'm not like, no, like long term probably wouldn't work out. We have some differences that don't prevent us from being friends, but I've learned from my last relationship.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Also work together, and that could be a little
Not a
dicey.
good thing.
Yeah. I'm actually playing pickleball with another one of my coworkers tomorrow.
Look at you.
Dude, it's all, I don't know anybody but my coworkers, so that's all I got. I need to meet for people, but I don't know how to do that as an adult. Dang, I was wanting to pull back to pre-market high there, and it didn't. And now it's making new highs on the day. Yeah, I probably missed the opportunity now. All right, my friend. I think I'm gonna get off and get ready for my day.
Yeah, burly. Alright, man. Have fun. Take a pic.
Yeah, I will. All right, you as well. I'll see you tomorrow if you're gonna be around.
Yeah.
Sounds good, man.
Peace.
Later.